Hello lovely viewers, welcome once again to Ama's Corner. I really miss you guys. Today I'm going to show you the simplest recipe on how to make pepper rice. Angwamu keko, angwamu kakinedi nyeme biya wo no, and I'm gonna pepper rice. It's been my recipe for 4 years now. It's time to show you guys. Stay tuned, I'll be right back. Say bye. Bye. First. Wait. I'm going to start by showing you the ingredients that I'm going to use for my hot pepper rice. First, we have our vegetable oil. I have my 3 cups of rice. Salted beef, homemade salted beef. I made this all by myself. I'm going to give you the recipes very soon. Fresh tomato and fresh hot chili. Hot. And of course, my onion. Little bit of Maggi. We have some eggs, sardine, and of course, avocado. I love to eat avocado. So step 1, we are going to dice our salted beef into smaller pieces. And we also dice our onion into smaller pieces. So let's do our cutting. So my diced salted beef is done. It's being washed as well. It goes back into the bowl. Now it's time to dice our onion. This is really big, so I'm going to divide it into 2. I'm going to blend half with the tomato and the hot chili. Now it's time to dice it like this. Cut them into longer pieces. So this is how your sliced onions should be. Okay, it goes into the bowl. Now I'm going to cut the tomato, the half onion, and the hot chili and blend everything together. All these vegetables are being washed. Now I'm going to add my hot chili, 3 hot chili. So step 2, I'm going to blend all these vegetables together. I'm going to add a little bit of water to it. If you don't have blender, you may use a potoyoa egg bowl if you want, because it is a uchimokona. So yeah. All good. So now we are in our final step, step 2. I'm going to start with our hot pepper rice. Let's get started. Okay, so now I'm going to start by putting my oil. Not too much. Next we put our slide onions to it. So your onions needs to cook for like 2 minutes. Yeah, depend how brown you want it, but this is how I want mine. Next, I'm going to put my diced salted beef. Angwamu na the same process. So this beef is going to stay in for 5 minutes. So our 5 minutes is over. At this moment, I'm going to add my blended vegetables. Then you mix it up. Without wasting much time, I'm just going to add the Maggi Cube to it. So you can use chicken or whichever Maggi Cube you want. So everything goes in. That's a weird for you, know. I don't lie, no. You mix it, then you leave it on fire for 5 to 7 minutes. It shouldn't take long. So at this moment, my hot sauce for the pepper rice is ready. This is how I want it. Perfect. So I'm going to add a little bit of salt, but you have to be careful because we added salted beef. Okay? Just a little bit. Now I'm going to add my rice to it. I know people are going to ask me why I didn't wash my rice. Well, my rice is very neat, very clean. There is no dirt. I know sometimes you can see dirt, but if you have dirt in your rice, please try and wash it for hygiene's sake. Okay? At this moment, I'm going to add a little bit of water to it. I'm going to check my salt. Perfect. Perfect. So at this point, I'm going to cover it. You're going to leave it on fire till 5 to 10 minutes. That's the only time I can give to you for now. Whilst waiting, I'm going to fry my eggs. Then we'll get our hot pepper rice ready. Candace, ready. Candace, ready. Candace, ready. Okay. Malolota. The jenny kakra, the awono online. The tomatoes kakra, bell pepper kakra, and chini kakra, the bia kakra kakra. Now I'm going to add a little bit of salt to give it a beautiful taste. You want egg? It's 5 to 7 minutes now. I'm going to check my pepper rice. The aroma. Ooh. So there is still a little bit of water in it. So I'm going to cover it with paper towel. Do not use plastic bag. Always use a clean napkin or paper towel. And we leave it on fire for extra 5 minutes. So our pepper rice has been cooking for 10 minutes now. We need to check if it's cooked. Ooh, yay, Abing. It's well cooked. But if you're cooking your pepper rice and you think you need more water, make sure you add more water to it. Okay? So now we're going to turn off the heat. Thank you guys for watching today's recipe. I hope you subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. I'll see you now. Yummy food. Then let's dressing. Bye.